Fresh energy. If your Mini's vehicle key runs out of power, simply replace the battery yourself. To do so, remove the integrated key from the vehicle key. Just press the button and pull it out at the same time. Then push the integrated key into the opening and lift the cover to access the battery compartment. A revealing moment. Push the integrated key into the battery compartment lid and raise it. Use a pointed object to lift the battery out. Insert a new battery, positive side facing up. Time to wrap it up. Put the lid and cover into the vehicle key. And insert the integrated key until it engages. Now your key fob is powered up again. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.